Toots and the Maytals, originally called the Maytals, were a Jamaican musical group, one of the best-known ska and rocksteady vocal groups. The Maytals were formed in the early 1960s and were key figures in popularizing reggae music. Frontman Toots Hibbert's soulful vocal style has been compared to Otis Redding and led him to be named by Rolling Stone as one of the 100 greatest singers. Their 1968 single Do the Reggae was the first song to use the word reggae, naming the genre and introducing it to a global audience. As Island Records founder Chris Blackwell says, the Maytals were unlike anything else. Sensational, raw and dynamic. Toots Hibbert died on September 12, 2020, at the University Hospital of the West Indies in Mona, Jamaica, due to complications of COVID-19. Frederick Toots Hibbert, the frontman of the group, was born in May Pen, Clarendon, Jamaica, in 1942, the youngest of 7 children. He grew up singing gospel music in a church choir and moved to Kingston in the late 1950s. Hibbert met Henry Raleigh Gordon and Nathaniel Jerry Matthias in Kingston in 1962 and formed the Maytals as a vocal trio, a group whose early recordings were incorrectly attributed to the Flames and the Vikings in the UK by Island Records. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.